Are you tired of getting turned down on a loan, credit applications not getting approved, and you get that "we will notify you by mail" answer? Don't feel embarrassed. We know how frustrating it can be not to know what to do, and you're not alone. Consumer Finance reports that over 19 million people have less than poor credit. 26 million have no credit history, and 50 million adults have no credit score at all. That's 95 million Americans, most 1/3 of the population. Our expert credit consultants can help you get a credit profile and credit score that screams "Lend to Me." We'll help you get approved for a new car, a new home, and with our course, we will empower you to make the decisions that will help you reach your financial freedom. There is no cost and no obligation involved in discussing your credit with our expert consultants. We're here to help. Don't forget to download our free guide. We'll see you soon.